But first tonight at 6, Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis is urging county leaders to take steps to protect their staffs.
Her investigation of former President Trump could be presented to a grand jury in the coming days. 11 Alive's Zach Merchant is live, now tracking these developments outside the Fulton County Courthouse.
You can see these orange barriers outside the courthouse right now. They were recently erected in an effort to keep the building safe. And recent comments both from the sheriff's office and that email from the district attorney suggest more security measures could be coming. That email sent to Fulton County leaders on Saturday describes angry messages, including racial epitaphs, sent to the DA and her staff over the course of their investigation into the former president and others connected to the 2020 election. She wrote, quote, "I am sending to you in case you are unclear on what I and my staff have come accustomed to over the last 2.5 years. I guess I am sending this as a reminder that you should stay alert over the month of August and stay safe." Speaking to 11 Alive this weekend, Willis suggested the case was ready to move forward.
Some people may not be happy with the decisions that I was making, and sometimes when people are unhappy, they act in a way that could create harm. I mean, we've been working for 2.5 years. We're ready to go.
The DA has suggested the case could be presented to a grand jury in the coming days and asked judges not to schedule trials or in-person hearings between August 7th and August 14th. Melissa Redman, who was a prosecutor in the Fulton County DA's office before joining the University of Georgia School of Law, said extra security should not impact any actual legal work.
Whether the job gets done is not a question at all. The additional security would just impact how.
The focus, she says, will be on making sure all those who need to be in court are protected.
They will take additional steps to make sure that those employees can do that job safely, to make sure that any witnesses relevant to those proceedings can get in and out of the courtroom or the courthouse safely.
In a statement to 11 Alive late last week, the Fulton County Sheriff's Office acknowledged these barricades, but also said there are more discreet security measures also in place ahead of what they described as high-profile legal proceedings. Live outside the courthouse, Zach Merchant, 11 Alive News.